Today is April 1st, April Fool's Day on us. Mother Nature pulled this one on us. I'm just taking a break from shoveling. That's chicken house down there. And the path to the chicken house. Tucker just climbed on top of the snow. I have shoveled this far. There's Maisie. Let's see how far I've shoveled, guys. The snow is heavy, 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 wet, wet, wet. They're calling it heart attack snow. So I'm joking and telling Tom that I'm taking lots of breaks so I don't have a heart attack. Not that I should have to worry about that, but it's a good excuse. So I've been shoveling from the garage. I was hoping that I could maybe plow today, but yeah, at least succeeded in moving the truck. Here's where it was parked. And I got it down there and got it stuck. It's just too, the snow is just like, I don't know what. It's just so wet and slippery. I'm not going to be able to move the truck until it gets colder. There's the car still. And I got a path shoveled over to the woodshed, and from the woodshed to the boiler. Got that stoked, and from the boiler to Tom's shop in the garage. I haven't gotten the whole shop or the whole path done yet from the house out. Oh, there are the dogs. Maisie's dead. What a shame. So now, back at it, break's over. Gonna start lugging the water up to the chickens. Okay, happy April Fools. Right, honey? Happy April Fools?
April Fools.
Joke's on us. All right, that's all.